Hello, my shape-seeking friends. It's Rory the Rabbit, and today, we're going on a shape safari to discover some amazing shapes. Are you ready to hop into the world of shapes? Let's go! Shapes are like puzzles that fit together to make our world interesting and fun. Let's meet some of these cool shapes today. Let's have some shape playtime. I'll name a shape, and you can hop along with excitement. Are you ready? Here we go. This is oval. This is square. This is circle. This is triangle.
Wow!
This is rectangle. This is heart. This is star. This is crescent. This is diamond. This is pentagon.
Wow!
This is hexagon. This is octagon. Thank you for joining me on our shape safari today. If you had a hopping good time, give us a big carrot-shaped thumbs up, subscribe for more shape-filled adventures, and hit the bell so you never miss a shape-tacular episode. Until next time, happy shape hunting! Bye bye!